Welcome guys. Today I have for you a Supertec model G38P. This machine is wired for 220 volts. One thing I'd like to start off with is going to be our tailstock and our sliding guard door. So we could jog our head with this button right here and also change the speed of it as well. As you can see, just like that. Slide that back over. Over here we do have our hand wheel to bring our table both left and right. This is going to be our switch that will make our table automatic so we can get into our cycle. We have our two dwells for both left and right, and then our speed for our table, and lastly the reversal switch that the dogs talk to. Over here we have another hand wheel, and this is for our taper adjustment on our table. 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on the other side. You just loosen them up a little bit and then you can crank this hand wheel 9 degrees in one direction and 2 degrees in the other. I do have the Mitsubishi KA counter just for the X-axis, as that's really all you need to see where our head is going to end up. I do have the wheel hub just placed off to the side for you guys, and the wheel nut just so it doesn't chatter when I get the spindle up and running. So now that we go over to this control panel right here, you can see that we have a little controller right here. In the manual position, you could go ahead, press the button on the side, and that will bring our head in or out, as you can see indicated by our DRO. You could change the speed 100x, 10x, and 1x. So I have it on 1 right now, so it's going very slow. And that's it for our controller. So you can see that we do have a small touch screen over here that is going to tell us which cycles we want, whether we want to feed on both left and right, or just left or just right. Go ahead and tap whichever ones that you want, and also has our park section too. So if you want to park it to the left, go ahead, tap it, or if you want it to the right, same thing. So I do have the hydraulics on right now, super quiet. From there I will turn our head on. This is a variable speed, so with this knob right here you can bring it up. It's already at full speed right now to about 1500 RPMs. Let that get up to speed. And then I'm just gonna bring it down just a little bit. Bring it halfway. So let's get into our cycles. So again, with our touch screen, we'll go ahead and tap on our traverse, and we could go ahead and change any amount of feed that you want, just depending on what you're grinding. And when you're ready, you'll just go ahead, press our cycle start button, and if you're in traverse, you'll open up that knob and you can see we are now down feeding. So I'm just going to let this guy run out for a little bit. In the back of the machine, we do have a coolant tank along with a hydraulic cooler, and the hydraulic tank is also sitting back there as well. We are about halfway through our grinding cycle right now. I am going to let this finish up. Nice little light right here. Oh, excuse me. This machine was recently painted, so nice fresh paint job on it. And if I'm not mistaken, we should almost be done. Yeah, two or three more passes. And it does have a spark out cycle, and it will retract the head as well when it's done. So now we're sparking out. And then the head retracts and you're ready to grind again. So same concept, going over to plunge, you'll just go ahead, tap it, open up the screen, press start. And as you can see indicated on both the DRO and the screen, we are feeding in. It's on a spark out cycle for 10 seconds, I believe. And then it'll do the same thing. Go ahead and retract. Just like that. And I'm just going to demonstrate that just one more time. And that basically wraps it all up for this machine. Again, this is going to be the Supertec G38P, wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.